Hey everyone, this is Matthew. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, 2025. And this is your Daily Nasdaq Futures Recap, the show where we break down every move, every catalyst, and of course, every single trade our algorithm executed throughout the session. Let's jump right into it. Market news. It was a relatively quiet Monday on the economic calendar, but we still had a few key events to watch. 8:30 a.m. ADP Employment Change, 10 a.m. ADP Housing Market Index, 10:30 a.m. Fed Vice Chair Barr spoke, 11 a.m. FOMC Member Barkin spoke. No major tech earnings after the close, just Home Depot, PDD and Baidu on deck. Overnight session. Right at the 6 p.m. futures open, the Nasdaq dipped immediately. As Asian markets opened, the selling pressure intensified, and our robot jumped into a short position. But momentum shifted quickly. The move reversed, and the bot flipped long. Then, as Asia got into full swing, Nasdaq edged lower again, stopping out the long and triggering a fresh short entry. Around midnight, the market dropped sharply. That short position ballooned to over $500 in unrealized gains. A powerful overnight move. Morning session. When Europe opened, the Nasdaq slid to the overnight low of 24,603. Our short closed for a clean profit. At 8:30 a.m., ADP Employment Change printed at negative 2.5 thousand, better than last month's negative 11.25 thousand. But the market barely reacted. Then at 9:30 a.m., the U.S. cash market opened, and volatility exploded. Tech stocks came out weak, the Nasdaq tumbled, and our robot re-entered a short. AI stocks were bleeding across the board. As selling accelerated, the robot took profit again, bringing realized gains to $534. The meltdown continued. Tesla broke below $400. Nvidia broke below $180. AMD slid under $230. Nasdaq hit 24,430. And our robot made another quick short scalp, pushing realized gains to $549. At 10 a.m., the housing market index came out at 38, a tick higher than last month's 37, and that helped spark a bounce from the lows. Meanwhile, our AMD swing trades got stopped out, bringing realized losses on AMD to $73. Afternoon session. All afternoon, Nasdaq hovered around 24,675. Our robot made another short scalp, bringing realized gains to $600, while AMD losses remained at $73. By 12:30 p.m., the Nasdaq started to recover. Late afternoon stayed weak overall, but AMD losses were gradually recovered. After hours. No major news after the bell. Home Depot, PDD, and Baidu released earnings that were all below expectation. The impact on Nasdaq was small. Investors were mainly waiting for tomorrow's FOMC meeting minutes and, of course, Nvidia earnings, which could shake up the entire tech sector. That wrapped up a busy Tuesday session. Summary. It was another rough day for tech, with the Nasdaq dropping over 500 points, but our algorithm navigated the chaos well, locking in $609 in profit for the day. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Futures Recap.